It will spur new energy savings, like the efficient windows and other materials that reduce heating costs in the winter and cooling costs in the summer.
In the neighborhoods where you and I grew up, if you miss a paycheck because you're sick, or have to take care of a loved one, you could be in trouble for that month's mortgage payment, the car payment, just paying the heating bill.
Other Americans save thousands by taking advantage of the tax credits the Recovery Act has provided for the purchase of a new home or a new fuel-efficient car or energy-efficient cooling and heating systems, windows, and insulation. Spur new energy savings, like the efficient windows and other materials that reduce heating costs in the winter and cooling costs in the summer.
And people would be paying less on their electricity bills and their heating bills and their air conditioning.
Why would we wait to act until another bridge falls? All across North Carolina, all across the country, there are schools with leaking ceilings and lousy heating. Ventilation so poor it can make students sick.
In his words, I'm quoting, "If someone doesn't think that 12 gallons of heating oil is important, I invite them to spend 3 nights in an unheated home." And I know that the season is heating up again, so I don't want to be too long.
Your heating bills must be crazy.
See in Miami, new lighting systems, advanced heating and cooling systems that can lower a company's energy bills and make them more competitive. We're launching a program that will bring together the nation's best scientists and engineers and entrepreneurs to figure out how more cars can be powered by natural gas, a fuel that's cleaner and cheaper and more abundant than oil. We've got more of that.
Now, I just finished learning about some of the work that you're doing here at this community college to make sure that homes are using less energy and helping folks save money on their heating and their air conditioning bills.
In 8th grade, we took a science and we learned about deforestation and how it affects the world. And we learned that using wood for cooking and heating in third world countries in the house was one of the main factors in deforestation in the world.